Hi everybody, I'm Chrissy, the purchasing manager here at LovelySkin, and today I'm here to unbox for you Revision Skincare's newest innovation, Gentle Foaming Cleanser. So let's first talk about who this cleanser is for. This cleanser is going to be beneficial for all skin types, but really it's specifically formulated for sensitive, irritated, or dry skin. So what did they put in it to help remove makeup and impurities off of the skin? Well, they're using amino acids as the surfactant in this product. It's also very hydrating and nourishing for the skin. There is a long list of very moisturizing ingredients like panthenol, which is also known as provitamin B5, chamomile, which is a botanical extract to help calm and soothe the skin, which also is going to give you some antioxidant protection as well, and aloe, which we all know is very hydrating and nourishing to the skin. Let's check out the texture. Okay, I'm just going to dispense a little to my hand. Oh, it is very, very foamy. It's a very velvety, rich foam, and I can tell already just by applying it to my hand that it is very soothing and very hydrating, so after cleansing your skin, you're not going to feel dry or stripped. This product would be great in the wintertime when your skin is feeling a little drier, but also a great cleanser to use year-round. Revision Skincare Gentle Foaming Cleanser, available on LovelySkin.com today.